Okay, so 1 through 3 on 9.6 big ideas is asking you, the question says, let angle D be an acute angle such that sine D equals 0.75. So we're saying sine of D equals 0.75. This is 9.6, number 1. Okay, now it's saying use a calculator to approximate the measure of angle D to the nearest 10th degree. So what we're wanting to do is we want to find the angle. We have the two side lengths. This was my proportion of side lengths over each other. So all we do is do sine inverse of this number right there of 0.75. So if I stick that in my calculator, I got sine inverse of 0.75. This is what it would look like in my calculator. I hit equals. I get 48.59. And it says round to the nearest 10th of a degree. So we got 48.6. So this means angle D, the measure of angle D equals this. So we have the measure of angle D is equal to 48.6 degrees. And that would be your answer. Let me just make sure. Yep. This is what you would put in, just without the little degree thing, because it already has it there for you. So same thing with number 2. Number 2 says, let angle D be an acute angle such that cosine of D equals 0.33. So we have cosine of D equals 0.33. So we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to do the inverse of cosine. That's this little guy here. The measure of angle D equals, that's an equals there, the inverse of cosine of 0.33. Now I stick that in my calculator again, so I got inverse 0.33. This is what it should look like when you put it in. I don't know which one's better. There you go. So I got 70.7. So the measure of angle D equaled 70.7. And that's your answer. This is what you would put in the little box. Number 3, do it the exact same way, just with the inverse of tangent. I hope that answers your question.